Hello, it's Alex. People keep approaching me asking me how do I do my Necron snow ice bases, so I'm making a video because it's a lot easier than just telling people. This is super easy, hopefully you enjoy it. It's a batch paint method, so you're going to prime the base with Leadbelcher spray, any other silver spray will do, and then you want to do one coat of Achillean green, even though it is more of a blue colour. I am double checking, yes it is called Achillean green, I am not crazy, even though it comes through more of a blue. And this will represent the ice underneath the snow base because you have that bit of the tint of the blue with the metallic shine, so it makes it look like slippery ice, and then with the snow on top, you get your snow base. I know, it's really that straightforward. So as you see, it's now dry, it's looking good. And now we can apply the texture paint, which I use is the Valhalla Blizzard, Citadel. You can use any other one, but I can't guarantee you'll get the same result because I just use this one and I'm doing that for today's tutorial. So you apply a thick layer on top and then you can use a brush, your fingers, this spreader thing to kind of shape where the snow is. I start to move some and then I actually take some off with my finger later so the ice can show through a bit more. But the good thing with this batch painting and ice-based theme, it's uniformed, but it's not. So each base will look a little bit different. Some will have a bit more snow, some will have a bit less snow. You can apply more snow on after it's dried if you want a bit more snow, or you can take some off while it's still drying if you think you've got too much. It's down to you. I'm going to show you now the finished product alongside some other Necron bases so you get an idea that it's all uniformed. So there you go. There's the base, and now I'm just showing you 3 different ones. As you see, some have a bit more snow than others, some have a bit more ice showing through, but it's all uniformed and it looks great when you have it on an entire army project. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, like, comment, subscribe, share it. It means a lot, and if not, thanks for dropping on by. I'm also going to thank the people on screen. Thanks guys, you can check it out, free blog, some extra stuff. Thank you for watching, I'm Alex, and hopefully this video helps you. Bye-bye.